Hello guys, this is Esman Tavera and this is my exit ticket tutorial for the Visual C#. So let's begin. For this week I decided to do a small dice game. To roll the dice, and that's pretty much it. 2 labels and 2 buttons, roll an exit button, and then dice 1 label, dice 2 label. So let's take a look at my form. Here you guys see the size of 2, and then you guys see up to 6 numbers. Dice label 1, dice 2 label, dice number 1, dice number 2, and then here's my exit button. So let's roll 2 and 2, 4 and 3, and we'll zoom away 2 and 5. So that's pretty much it. We exit, and it's all good. Thank you guys for watching.